L&T Finance Holdings, disappointing set of earnings. We will talk about that in just a short while. But first, let's address Firstsource, and it's been a decent performance from them this quarter. Rajesh Subramaniam, CEO and MD at Firstsource, joins us now on the phone line from Mumbai. Rajesh, hi, afternoon, and give us a snapshot firstly of your second quarter earnings after what we saw as a flat performance in the previous quarter.
Yeah, good afternoon. The second quarter earnings, our revenues came in at about 791 crores, representing a 10% growth quarter on quarter. EBITDA came in at about close to 90 crores, 11% sequential growth and a 32% growth year on year. Our operating profit has expanded significantly at 69.1 crores, representing a 53% growth year on year. And profit after tax came in at about slightly under 45 crores, representing a 25% growth year on year. So the results have been good. The margin expansion initiatives that we had undertaken are still continuing, which is representing in our numbers. On a half-year basis, our revenues came in at about 1,510 crores and our profit after tax at close to 86 crores. Revenue representing a 8.5% growth year on year, and net profit after tax representing a 32.2% growth year on year.
Key client additions and deal wins that you may have seen this quarter, and what's the deal pipeline like for the next quarter to come?
The sentiment around business process management outsourcing has improved significantly. We see a very credible build-up of the pipeline in all the verticals we play in healthcare, in telecoms and media, and in financial services. The compulsions driven both by reform mandates in healthcare, driven by regulations and compliance in financial services, and the secular growth in the media segments of the businesses that we operate in are going to represent significant opportunities going forward. So, we are in a good spot as I crystal ball gaze in the future.
Talk a little bit more about, the currency movement, because that has been a tailwind for the margins as well. What levers do you have for margin expansion as you stride for the 200 bips improvement, which you foresee in FY14?
Yeah, in terms of the 200 bips improvement, our EBITDA expansion is already at 240 basis points year on year, implying a 38% growth, and we have almost a 3% improvement in our operating profit margins, on a half-year basis. So going forward, given our hedging strategy has been on a rolling 12-month basis for the first two quarters, there actually hasn't been as much as an impact as much as the rupee has depreciated. But we get to see the benefits of the rupee depreciation in Q3 and Q4, which will obviously give us tailwinds in our margin expansion going forward. And the pricing environment hasn't been as volatile as one would expect given the rupee depreciation which has happened over the last 2-3 months, and that gives us some operating leverages and flexibilities in terms of how we build our solutions and price our deals.
Rajesh, geographically, the US and Europe have been your core markets, which contribute almost 80% to the revenue pie, and emerging markets account for the remaining fifth of your top line. How did things shape up in the second quarter, and do you think the revenue pie is going to remain as is for the second half as well?
Yeah, for the second half, we will see momentum in the media segment and in financial services, and the US markets will continue to be our largest markets, with the UK catching up with significant growth we see both onshore and offshore. And our conscious efforts of reducing our domestic portfolio is in play. We are unwinding businesses which are not profitable, some impact in Q2 and which will continue into Q3. So the domestic business portfolio will shrink. The work we do for Indian clients will shrink, which also gives me levers for margin improvement.
Okay, Rajesh, good chatting with you. Appreciate you taking the time out and joining us. Let's hear it out from the banking secretary talking about capital infusion in the PSU banking space.